Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 633 error driver failed sleep on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error, driver error, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose device manager. Basically it's a driver related issue, so open device manager in your system and here look for any faulty or problematic device driver having yellow color exclamation sign against it. If you found, in my case, no any such driver found, in your case, if you found, then right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your faulty or problematic having a color exclamation sign against it. And after that, close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system and here go to power options. Here from the left side, click on choose what the power button do and here choose change settings that are currently unavailable. Here uncheck the option turn on faster startup. Disable faster startup through control panel in your system and click on save changes from the bottom right corner. And after that, close the back to your same page and here click on change plan settings against your recommended plan settings. Click on change plan settings. Here choose change advanced power settings and here a new power option window will open. Here expand process scroll down and choose suspended change USB settings and USB selective suspend settings and disable this feature. We will disable this feature because if you have added any hardware and devices through USB, then disable this feature and click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. Here in run dialog box, type the command msconfig ms configuration. Click on OK. This command will open system configuration window. You may directly proceed with Windows search system configuration. Click on services option from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services. Clean boot your system. Thereafter, from the bottom right corner, click on disable all. Thereafter, go to a startup option from the top menu bar. Click on it and click on the link open task manager. Here a startup apps found out enable the startup apps in your system, and if you find any startup apps enabled in your system, simply right click on it and choose disable. Manually disable all your enabled startup apps in your system. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps and thereafter close the window task manager windows and click on apply and OK to save the changes. This process is called clean boot your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Click on yes on your pop-up windows and in command prompt windows, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. Don't forget to restart your system. Your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.